Hakasngi Rakhe penan berom ya kasngi kha jong pa ka chai ben riu u Mahatma Gandhi haka atarik risau ka office jong u Deputy Commissioner East Khasis District kala Rakhe ru ya ka Jingdap Shisnem jong ka Swaach Bharat Abhiyan Mission ha Police Bazar Shillong da ka bapun khoj ya ki lintiat bat ki surok ki bala sertap da ki nyot ba ki jabok hakate kasngi ulat ka jala u vi shan muganathan ulalong kumukongsan haka jingadan rengkat lang jong ka menteri katnat kampo yeng ka sarkar jela ka kong Roshan Wajri kum ka sembut kongsan bat ki opsar rang ba ka jela nado u chief secretary ka jela u ba PBO Wajri haba ajing kren haka tegesngi ulat ka jela ula ong kala dei ka por yangi ban pen utlong ya ka jingtmu babaha jong kupa ka chai ben riu u ba kwa ban pelong ya ka ri India ka bakhoj ka basubah kumta ngidei ban yeng ban yateli bat ban mi khmat ban pen khoj ya ka Shillong bat ru ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya kum ka wei ni ki jela ka bakhoj apo India la ong ulat vision muganathan haswa ban pen khoj ya te ka program ulat ulawa senti ru ha ka dor jong u Mahatma Gandhi bat sami ki khusnam shi ki kishnong ki bakhoj bat ondala penwai ulat ulalek ban sar ki katu katni ki jaka haringkat ka jingadon lang ka kong Roshan bat ki officer sarkar
Today is very important because today happens to be the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And to coming together, we remember about our Gandhi ji very much in our mind and heart. Everyone who come here, who has reached here this morning, they got they got a feeling that we should give a practical shape to the dream of Mahatma Gandhi. It is not simply in the pages of history. We are putting into practice. We want to give a practical shape. With that mission, you all have come. Today, we are going to clean this area. We are all. It's not only we ourselves here gathered here in Shillong, in Police Bazar. The same type of the cleaning program is in the entire state. It is going on. In the whole country, it is going on. Prime Minister himself is taking lead in this program. So Mahatma Gandhi, his birthday, the best tribute to Gandhiji is by cleaning our own land. Swachhata pledge.
Swachhata pledge.
I take this pledge.
I take this pledge.
That I will remain committed.
That I will remain committed.
Towards cleanliness. And devote time for this.
The Gabashram of Abhijao and Sonali. Ladies and gentlemen, these awards are being given to these three localities in Shillong for the efforts that they have made towards maintenance of cleanliness in their respective localities.